Hi planties, welcome back to my channel, Houseplantpixie. For anyone that's new, my name is MULIG and we're going to repot a few plants today. The CZ Raven, I had it for quite some time and the soil is a bit sandy. It's not that well draining, so I'm gonna change it. But I didn't repot this plant straight away. I like to wait till the plant adjusts to the environment and then I will repot it, because every time you repot a plant you will shock it a little bit. Then this Persian shield, I'm gonna repot that. And my well-fin Sanseveria. We're going to divide this little baby from its mum and put it in a separate pot. Alright, let's get started. So we're just going to cut the and place the mother plant back in its. I'm going to use the previous potting mix. So hasn't been too long since I replanted this. Add a little bit of fresh potting mix. My well-fin Sanseveria sits about 3 meters away from an east-facing window in my bedroom and loves the spot. So I just put her back here. So when I bought this, the cutting, it was cut off like this. I think it was roughly a year ago. I potted it up and very shortly it produced the little baby. So I was pretty stoked with that. So I just set it back in its original pot. And that's First plant down. With the little one, I'm gonna put some cinnamon on the cup, and I will actually leave this plant probably till tomorrow, at least 24 hours. I'll let it dry out so it seals itself, and then I will put it in a pot.